So, new project bike, KX250F, but this one with the aluminium frame. So 2008. It's not in the best of conditions, as you can see, but that's why it was cheap.
Ew.
That's bird poo. That's more bird poo. That's more bird poo. That's more bird poo. Well, there's a lot of bird poo. There's some spider webs. There's some oxidation just on the outside.
That's spider webs.
Lots of oxidation aqui, olha. A bit of oil leakage on this front suspension. Some light oxidation here and there. Very, very dirty. Yeah, as you can see, this is in need of a little bit of TLC. Some OEM bolts, very OEM, as you can see. But in general, it's a good. How do you say it? It's a good project bike, I would say. This is still the stock exhaust. May not stay here for too long, mainly because there's a couple of dents here. But for now, it will stay. These forks, the seals are gone. Seals are gone. Yeah. It's lots of oil leaking. Even Eva thinks that. So, yeah. Yes.
Põe a cor de rosa. Não, a roxa. Roxa.
Yes, I have to the pink bike apparently.
Não, põe amarelo. Põe amarelo. Amarelo suja-se muito. Lilás.
Okay, so we have yellow, pink, purple,
Põe vermelho.
red. Okay, red can be. We can do red.
Lilás.
Okay. Violet, pink. Okay, pink and violet. All right. So we have a good selection of colors. Oh, and now you have like a rainbow bike. That would be good. All right. So this is it. I'll try to get the GoPro because it's charging. I'm gonna wash it anyway before. But I think with the phone, you can already have a good idea of what we have here to work with. It's not too bad. The guy who I bought it from says that he was its first owner. He also gave me the green set of plastics, the original ones. I'm gonna wash these off, see how they turn out. It's a good, like a rental rental twin wall or rental something. I don't know. Can't really read that. Oh, yeah, something. Okay. Keep you updated on this one.